In this video, I'm going to show you the new Betta 2.0. This is the latest model of their solar power surface cleaner. And they've done a lot to improve this version over the previous versions. And as you can see from these clips, the Betta 2.0 does a great job with surface debris. Probably these flowers are not ideal to plant around the pool, but with the solar surface skimmer going in the pool, they're not really a problem now. And since this pool uses a variable speed pump, it doesn't really run on high speed. Picking up the surface debris at the skimmer is somewhat ineffective here, so having the solar skimmer is definitely a plus. This cleaner will charge itself as it's running in the pool, and here in my area of Southern California, with a charge, it'll run pretty much all through the day and into the nighttime. And you can see that this pool has a railing that sticks into the water, which is not a problem for the Betta 2.0 because it'll reverse itself ever so often in the pool and won't get stuck there. Looks like the sensor also picks up the handle sticking out into the pool, and so it'll turn away from this particular obstacle. So I don't think obstacles are a big problem for this cleaner, as you can see here. And it's just going to leave the surface of the pool so clean and clear and free of debris, especially again if you have a variable speed pump running on your pool. And as you know, running on the low speeds, the skimmer is not quite as effective as a single speed pump would be. And so a lot of the surface dust stays on there with a VS pump running. So a solar surface cleaner like the Betta 2.0 is a great investment if you get a lot of surface debris on your pool and you really like that kind of mirrored, clean look all day long, every day of the week. This is definitely the cleaner for you for that. So they've made some really great improvements over the previous model. And I'll go over in detail some of the improvements they made with the Betta 2.0 over the original model that I tested previously last year. So this is the most complete version of the Betta to date. Let me show you the debris that I picked up here. So you can see that the Betta 2.0 does an amazing job with leaf debris. Included is this remote control in case you want to manually control the cleaner. You also have the owner's manual. The first upgrade is this new magnetic power switch. This will make it much more waterproof and easier to operate. You simply flip the switch this direction here to turn on the cleaner. And you would just flip it the other direction to turn it off. And on the back are these new beefed up motors and propellers, and these are designed to withstand the harsh water conditions of a saltwater pool. And they've also made these motors a lot more modular, so they're easy to switch out in case one of these were to go bad. And on the back you can see that the redesigned motors are definitely beefed up over the previous version. And in case you have really shallow steps or an area where the cleaner may get stuck, they added these tabs here that you can raise up. This will keep the cleaner from getting stuck anywhere in the pool. And of course, if you don't have any areas where the cleaner may get stuck, go ahead and keep these in the lowered position. And on the back, they eliminated the LED light from the previous version. They also put a handle on the back here to make it easier to retrieve the cleaner from the pool. And the solar panels on top remain unchanged from the previous version. And the debris basket inside is also the same. One thing you can't see is the internal design changes, which makes the circuit board much more waterproof. So you can see the Betta 2.0 is definitely a vast improvement over the first generation of their cleaner. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.